Oh man, we got the highway closed on us.
Yeah, we're gonna be here for a while.
They shut it down on us. We're trying to figure out what's going on. I see the snow
over there. I appreciate that. I have
the snow.
Very poor service out here, so I wasn't able to even. My internet won't load right now. I only got like 2 bars out here, 4G. Oh no, negative. I'm open the west phone or the west phone right there. Hey, it's close to 18 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's open. Sure looks like a motor home, Lena. That motor home's rolling out. Gates are open? Shit, I'm fucking out of here then. The gates open again? Did it open it up? I just seen an RV and a pickup truck go through, so I bet you this shit's about to open up. Damn, dude, I'm gonna be like a goddamn dog on a farm. I'm gonna go wide open out of here. And that they are open. I just saw a pickup truck walk around. Yeah, same here. They're open, man. I won't get close to Rock Springs. I don't even know if I should even waste my breath, because Rock Springs looks like on Google Maps is just all red and shit. That looks backed up. Rock Springs is right there that real quick.
Say it again on camera.
Winter storm warning in effect until noon Wednesday. Heavy snow and blowing snow expected. Total accumulations 8 inches.
We about to be stuck out this motherfucker till Saturday.
October 12th, man.
October 12th, and this is fucking winter. It ain't even winter. This is fall shit. Y'all already see it. It already snowed. Look, it already snowed over there. Over there. They got it closed down. Y'all see it all closed down. Got us getting off. Yep. I don't know how serious it is, but looks like we about to be stuck out here. Hopefully they let us go through and we can just beat this shit.
I think we're gonna be stuck out here for a little while. Because Rock Springs is closed too. I just looked on the map, it's closed both directions. That's an accident. Eastbound accident, closed both lanes. But I think that's that area where you get over and you're driving like this with the cones in the middle.
Oh, yep.
Yep, I think that's just gonna be fucked up for a while.
Right there in that construction. That's why I be telling you, I drive on the other side of that line right there. Damn, man, we out here, man. Life of trucking. We get stuck out here for a couple days. I got a party Saturday. I'm gonna have to cancel that bitch. I ain't gonna make it. Shoo! Bad deal. It's terrible. Alright, y'all. Now look, shit that got real out here. Check this out. Look at that snow. Look at that ice. Look at that shit. Shoo! We're gonna be stuck here for a little while, boy. I'm about to go back in here and get me some gloves. If I'm gonna be walking back and forth to this truck stop, my hands gonna be freezing. He think I'm crazy. A little bit. A little bit.
Maybe I'm the crazy one.
He said he's crazy, but he like it when he don't get cold till it turn 15 degrees. He said, I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm cold right now. It's 25 degrees out here.
I'm out here with the high top chucks.
Yep, high top chucks.
But
I done put my boots in the truck. I got another coat back here. I done bought me a hat.
But I got
a mask.
I got my Man of Steel vest on, so I'm protected.
Man of Steel vest. Shit, it is fucking freezing out here. But we chilling though. We got food in here. We got plenty of water in here.
My
know what I'm
stupid ass done ate some hot ass ramen soup.
Yeah.
That was a mistake.
Yeah, the
That
hot
was
ass
a long
ramen
time
noodles.
to eat that shit.
Yep, and he gonna be in there shooting fire out his ass in a minute. Yeah. Hell no, man. You might be cool though, man. Shit, there's a lot of snow out here, man. You might cool your ass off.
Man, why's my
Cold.
mom gotta put that on there for?
Yeah, you see I posted 25,
Yeah.
81 degrees. Where's she at? Where's that
She's in Orlando.
at? Orlando. Oh, come on.
If you see this shit, Mom, I'm about to block you.
He about to block you. You posted at 81 degrees, and if we down here suffering, it's 25 degree weather.
Yeah.
Wyoming.
I need a damn
Wyoming
dog
can kiss
sled.
my ass though. Every time. All right, when we first started coming here, it was what? The spring, and we was driving through snow and all that.
But we never drove anything like this.
Nothing like this.
No.
It was never like this. This is the worst.
This-
And this is the fall. The winter ain't even kicked
Yeah,
in
this-
yet.
Man, it ain't even Halloween yet.
Nope.
They got jokes.
It's the 12th. And we got winter advisory. The winter storm advisory. Look at that. Terrible. Y'all see it? Look at that snow on the wiper. Look at that shit. Look at it on the wiper. That's crazy. These boys is out here walking around in thong sandals with basketball shorts on and t-shirts and shit. Cause nobody expected this to happen. And I'm bundled up. Like I was ready for the storm. I came prepared, boy.
Damn, I even left my beanie at home. I took it out of my bag.
No, but you left your beanie in.
Yeah,
Damn.
I took it out. It was an accident. I didn't do it on purpose. I
You
just
got
forgot to put it back in my
You
bag.
better put that sandlot hat on.
What the hell is that gonna protect me from? It got holes in it.
It'll stop some of that snow from coming down on your head.
Shit.
Right there in your face.
Nah, that ain't gonna do shit.
It's alright, cause the way that snow blowing out
Yeah.
there, boy.
If anything, it's gonna blow it off my head and I'm gonna lose the damn thing.
That snow blowing good.
Ed found my doppelganger.
Hey, I said, this looked like you. When I was taking my hat out of there. He's like, I never wear that. I said, it look like you right there.
Look just like me, dog.
Look at it. You shaved that beard. You shaved that beard short.
I ought to cut that out right there. I ought to cut that eyebrow out. Tape it to my head.
Hey, make you a new eyebrow. Hey, he's on the right side too.
I'm just gonna cut it out and tape it to my head, man.
Hey, he wild, boy. Cut the eyebrow off the damn cardboard man and stick it on his face. Hell no.
That's funny.
Man, this dude. Yeah, we gonna be eating soup and ramen tonight.
Yep.
Now, I might go in here.
We got some lunch meat. We got we got some bread. We need to eat that bread up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We got sandwiches back here. We got some spicy pickles. We got a
We
ton
good.
of ramen.
We good. Ton of ramen.
I got tuna packs in there. Chips. We got a bunch of chips. Oh, I saw it. There's a cherry Coke back there. There's one left in there if you want that. I think me or you, one of us have a Bang Energy in there. So we're good, man.
We good. We got
You just
food.
get a message.
That's on my phone.
Was it?
Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all know what happened when we get out of here. Look like we stuck for a little while. Just an update. We still here. Plenty hours later. You know what I'm saying? Plenty hours later. It's 9:47 in the morning. That's my work phone. just got an update that DOT just said it's gonna be another 7 to 9 hours. We're gonna be sitting out here, so we're just gonna chill and relax, man. Ain't nothing else we can do but just wait it out. You know what I mean? And then get this stuff delivered and take our ass home. Hopefully we make it home and don't get hit by another storm on the way there. Because I hear it's another storm going to Colorado, and we gotta go to Colorado after we leave Reno. So shit, hopefully we don't get stuck in another damn storm on the way home, man. But we are still here, man. Still out here, just waiting. I got an iPhone 13 coming in the mail. It should be at home at my house tomorrow. So when I get home, man, I'm gonna have an iPhone 13 unboxing. We just gonna chill. I'm watching some CJ on 32s right now. So it is what it is, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Something like that. Shit sucks, you dig?